Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology behind the East, Department Humanity and Science, course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103. Myself again, Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our chapter is Coordinate Geometry, Unit 3. In Coordinate Geometry chapter, last lecture we discussed about the acute angle between two lines. So, angle between two lines, that is acute angle, is defined by the acute angle theta between two lines whose slopes are m1 and m2 are given by tan theta is equal to modulus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into. If two lines are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2. If two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Now, we have to take the next slide. Here, if the lines y is equal to a1x plus b1, y is equal to a2x plus b2 are not perpendicular, then acute angle phi between the lines can be from the formula. Tan phi is equal to modulus a1 minus a2 upon 1 plus a1 into a2. Previous slide gives about the tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Here y is equal to a1x plus b1 means he represent y is equal to slope point form y is equal to mx. That's why here we have to consider y is equal to a1x plus b1 where a1 is m1 and y is equal to a2x plus b2. a2 is equal to m, that is m2. Now for this purpose the example is given. The angle between the lines y is equal to minus 2x plus 6, y is equal to 3x plus 1. Here a1 is equal to minus 2 and a2 is equal to 3. We have to put the values. Tan phi is equal to modulus minus 2 minus 3, that is a1 minus a2, 1 plus a1 into a2 minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 upon 1 minus 6. So minus 5 upon minus 5, minus get cancelled. So answer is 1. Tan phi is equal to 1. Therefore phi is equal to 45 degree. Find the acute angle between 3x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y, that is 2y plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Now ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is the straight line equation which slope is given by minus a upon b. That's why we compare these. m1 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2, minus get cancelled. That's why m1 is equal to 3 by 2, which is the slope is defined by 3 upon 2. Now m2 is equal to minus 2. It derived from the 2y plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, where m2 is equal to minus a upon b. That's why minus 2 upon 4. Therefore it is 2 and 4. Obviously it is, we have to compare as a minus 2. Now tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So it is 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon 1 minus 3, because we have to get here 2 and 2 get cancelled and 3 into, that is the answer. So tan theta is equal to minus 7 upon 4. Now we have to find the angle between the lines root 3x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus root 3y is equal to 1. Here given equation of line is root 3x plus y equal to 1, x plus root 3y is equal to 1. The angle between two lines can be found by using formula tan theta is equal to modulus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m2 into m1. So slope of line 1 be m1 and slope of line 2 be m2. Now we have to calculate m1. From 1 root 3x plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to root 3x plus 1. Therefore, the above equation is in a form of y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope. Therefore, m1 is equal to minus root 3. Now x plus root 3y is equal to 1, where root 3y is equal to minus x plus 1. Therefore, y is equal to minus x plus 1 upon root 3. Now, y is equal to minus 1 upon root 3x plus 1 upon root 3. We comparing y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, m2 is given by minus 1 upon root 3. So, we have to put and consider the angle between two lines root 3x plus y equal to 1 and x plus root 3y is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m2 into m1. Tan theta is equal to minus root 3 minus 1 upon root 3, 1 plus minus root 3 into minus 1 upon root 3. Now simplification, root 3 get cancelled, minus minus become plus. Here we have to take the cross multiplication, root 3 into root 3. So minus root 3 into root 3, minus minus plus 1. Now minus 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 3, minus 2 upon 2 root 3, 2 get cancelled. Final answer minus 1 upon root 3. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Now we have tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore theta is equal to tan 30. Theta is equal to 30. That's why acute angle between two lines are theta is equal to 30 degree. If theta is equal to pi by 4 and m1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So we have tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 upon m1 into m2. So that's why 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 m2 upon 2 plus m2. We have tan pi by 4 from the table of trigonometric ratios. It is 1. That's why 1 we have to take the cross multiplication and comparing. We have two options. 1 minus 2 m2 upon 2 plus m2 is equal to plus 1 or minus 1. If we take 1 minus 2 m2 upon 2 plus m2 is equal to 1. So we have to simplify m2 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. And 1 minus 2 m2 upon 2 plus m2 is equal to minus 1. We have m2 is equal to 3. So we have two different values of the m2, minus 1 upon 3 and m2 is equal to 3. So we have to derive the m1 and m2 value. Next example, find the acute angle between y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y is equal to minus 3x minus 2. We know that m1 is equal to 2 and m2 is equal to minus 3. Where we have to define, we know y is equal to mx plus c. So that's why m1 is equal to 2 for equation and the line of the first one, and y is equal to minus 3x minus 2, m2 is equal to minus 3. That's why tan theta is equal to modulus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 2 plus 3 upon 1 minus 6. 2 plus 3 is 5 upon minus 5. 5 get cancelled. Final answer minus 1. But modulus symbol give the positive value of any number. That's why tan theta is equal to 1. We know that the tan 45 gives values 1. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degree. in this example, we have defined the slope of the line in a slope point form is equal to m is equal to derivation of y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of any given line equation. So, you have to must find the example based on acute angle between two lines. Find the acute angle between the lines whose slopes are 2 and 1 upon 3. Find the acute angle between the lines whose slope are -1 and -2. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4, slope of one of the line is 1 upon 2. Find the slope of other line. We know that tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. We have known that theta is equal to pi by 4, 180 upon 445 degree. That's why m1 into m2 is the slope of two lines. Consider m1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Then we have to put tan 45 is equal to m2 minus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 1 2 into m2. We have to put the value of m1 here. m1 is equal to 1 by 2. So next way, we have to take the cross multiplication. 2 into m2 is equal to -1 upon 2, and 2 into 1, 2 plus m2 upon 2. 2 get cancelled. We derive 2m2 minus 1 upon 2 plus m2. So 2m2 minus 1, 2 plus m2 is equal to 1. We have to simplify by taking the cross multiplication. But if we have to change the modulus, we know that it is +1 or -1. If we take 2m2 minus 1 upon 2 plus m2 is equal to 1, cross multiplication, 2m2 minus 1 is equal to 2 plus m2. So 2m2 minus m2 is equal to 2 plus 1. m is equal to, obviously, 2 minus 1, 1. m2 is equal to 3. Second one, 2m2 minus 1 upon 2 plus m2 is equal to -1. So 2m2 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus m2. Minus get sign multiply in a bracket. That's why 2m2 minus 1 is equal to -2 minus m2. 2m2 plus m2 is equal to -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 gives -1. m2 is equal to -1 upon 3. From these two derivation, we have the two slopes. m2 is equal to 3 or m2 is equal to -1 upon 3, where slope of the other line is 3 or -1 upon 3. Both the values are derived from the formation given as a first is 1 and second is -1, which lies in a first quadrant or second quadrant. Now we have to introduce the distance between the point ax plus by plus c upon root a square plus b square. Here x1 and y1 is the point, and ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the equation of line. Therefore, the length of perpendicular from the point px1, y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then p is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. We have the example, find the length of perpendicular from the point p in bracket 3, 4 to the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, where the first line x1 and y1 is 3, 4. Then we have to compare the equation. 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus c value is -5 by comparing this way. Under root 3 square plus 4 square, which is x1 and y1. Simplify, 9 plus 16 minus 5. So 9 plus 16, 25 minus 5 is 20. Upon root 25 is 5. 20 upon 5, 4. So we derive the 4 of units. So it is the perpendicular defined by any point P x1, y1. Be careful, here x1 and y1 is the coordinates given from any point, and 3x plus 4y minus 5, where a is 3, b is 4 and c is equal to -5. That's why we have to use the length of perpendicular or perpendicular distance from any point is defined by modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. So in this way we have to cover the today's lecture about acute angle and distance that is perpendicular. Lecture is over.